Halton, look at you. Learning how to sit up. Whoa. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. You want help? Come on. Oh, you almost got it. There you go. Big boy. Here. Whoa. Oh, over again. Here, let's help you. Okay, you want to help get up? Oh, there we go. Okay, so you're 6.5 months old and you're almost sitting up. Almost. Almost. Look at that, big boy. Halton, don't make a face plant. Oh, there he goes.
Mommy.
There he goes. Can you sit up? Use your muscles. Come on. Use your muscles. Use your muscles. Come on.
I want more apple.
How do you ask nicely?
Please.
Okay.